So tell me why, when I'm trying to fry up some bacon, you decide to pop off like we're doing the wall.
Nah, bro, you gotta believe me. It ain't even like that, bro. We don't mean it, bro. I swear to God, bro. Cut us some slack.
I'm minding my business, trying to fry up some grub, but you're trying to give me third-degree burns.
No, bro. Why would we do that, bro? It ain't even like that. I'm telling you. You gotta believe me.
Now you see, I don't tolerate that type of disrespect. So let me tell you like this.
Please.
I'm feeling a little hungry actually right now.
What?
How you feel about some sausage?
No. Oh, you're a demon. You're a demon. You're a menace.
When kids eat free.
Hey, I would like a table for two and I have one kid with me. Of course, as long as they're under 10, they can eat free. You're under 10, right? Don't be nervous. Just tell me your age. I'm 11! You were supposed to lie! How are we gonna eat free now?
I'm sure you all know your classmate Emily was in a bit of an accident. Emily,
I'm sure you all know what happened.
Share your story,
I was
girl.
Driving down the freeway and
Sisterhood. Share it, girl. Speak up.
Thank you.
We're here for you. Girl power.
My car, it started
Girl power.
shaking, and
Girl power.
I don't think I could tell the story.
Hashtag Emily.
Can I get some
It's
water?
okay. It's okay. Like Taylor Swift said, shake it off.
Thank you,
Shake it off,
Haley.
girl.
Thank you. Why are y'all babying this girl? She do this every week.
You need to leave. You need to go. It's okay.
You know why I pulled you over?
I don't know, did you already forget?
Get out the car, spread your butt cheeks, and put your teeth on the curb.
What did he say?
Not gonna cap. I forgot how to do this.
Yo, bro, you got a pencil I can borrow?
Oh, yeah, I do actually. Here you go.
You're gay! Bro, you gonna do this in class?
No, because why are you letting another man touch a cylindrical
You're not gonna
object
tell
of
him to
yours?
stop?
I know I'm the teacher, but if I'm keeping it a bean, you gay. There's nothing wrong with it, though. You just gay.
Mom said if you don't get up and do dishes, she gonna take your Xbox away and give it to me. Mom also said she wasn't gonna have no more kids after me, but look who's standing in my door right now. Yeah, because the best things come last. No, your daddy was just a little bitch and couldn't pull out, so now I gotta deal with your shit. My dad's not a little bitch. Yo, daddy's a little bitch, and you a little bitch. Say it again, I'm gonna tell mom. I'm not kidding. Why don't you go tell your dad? Oh, wait. Do you need help finding him? You better shut up, that shit's not even funny. Shut up! Alright, before you start crying, can you make like your daddy and leave now? I'm not fucking playing. Let's fight. Let's fight right now. Bring it, bitch. Alright. Alright. I mean to do that.
Go to bed, slumber.
Hey, Mama, this is my friend Latoya. Sardines. What? Is this the little girl that I caught you with last week and she had your room smelling like under the sea? Mama, can we go to the movies this weekend? Sure, if your brother decides to go with you. Mama, no, because then he gonna wanna bring his boyfriend and then he gonna treat me like I'm a baby. Sounds like a personal problem. Latoya, is it? How old are you? I'm 17. Oh, so you're a predator. My son just turned 16. No, we're in the same grade. Oh, so you're repeating the 11th grade. Mama, can we go to the movies? Yes or no? Can you clean the piss off the toilet seat or no? Can you clean that dirty ring around the bathtub off or no? Can you take a shower without being told to or no? Can you stop introducing me to females that smell like fishbowl or no? Mama! Ma'am, what exactly are you trying to imply? Sweetheart, I need you to seek medical attention ASAP. Your scent is offensive. Ma'am, I smell like blossoms and cherries. Ask your son. You want to take her to the movies, I need you to take her to the nearest pharmacy so she can gain control of that pH balance. You know what? I can't do this, Kyrie. Your mom is rude. I'm leaving. What was that? Kyrie, she smelled like China sea.
Really, mama?
I'm not ready for you to date. I'm not ready for you. I'm not used to you bringing females. I'm not ready for you to date, okay? Get out of my kitchen.
Hey, why you coughing like that? Or would you practice it? Yeah. Okay, Tariq, first of all, you need to get your mind out of the gutter because I am sick. And I am so tired of you turning everything into this perverted scenario in your head. Why are you getting mad like that? You know how I get when you get mad? Tariq, you know what? I've been feeling this way for the last couple months now, and I think we should call it quits. We should be done. I'm sick and tired of you turning everything I say into something sexual. It's like you are so immature and it's over. It's over. Why you gotta break my heart? Tariq, what the hell is wrong with you? I just broke up with you. I just said it's over. How are you turned on? Like, you are so pathetic. Like, you are like a bum. First of all, you don't do nothing around the house. All you think about is getting some nookie, and that's all you care about. Like, you don't care about anything else. No, I like that. Why you stop? No, keep going. Keep going. No, tell me how worthless I am. I'm out. No, tell me how worthless I am. You're please. No, keep going, baby.
Yo, bro, I've been told you she's a treesh, bro. Like,
I know, bro, but the spits is valid. You bugging, bro.
Nah, what, bro?
Yo, what happened?
Yo, who finished my juice, bro? Like, I told y'all nobody drank my juice.
Nah, I didn't drink your juice, gang. I ain't even drink no juice today.
So now nobody drank juice?
I know, I didn't.
So nobody drank juice now. So the juice drank itself.
Maybe you drank it and forgot, bro.
Copy.
Yo, you dead ass, bro.
So drink my juice, bro. I'll really air this whole shit out right now, bro.
You got no butt.
When you're getting robbed, but you and your sibling play too much.
Shh, be quiet or he's gonna catch us. La boom la la caca. Wait, no, please. I'm already dead.
God damn. God damn.
Father cat.
That's some bullshit.
Bae, I got a question.
What's up?
Would you still love me if I was a cockroach?
Oh my God, there she go again with them dumbass questions.
Babe, listen to me. I mean this in the most respectful way possible, okay?
Okay, baby.
Why would I want to love a cockroach?
So you wouldn't love me no more?
Okay, yes, I would love you.
Oh, okay, baby. I knew you would still love me. Would you still love me if I ain't had no arms, no legs, no head, no body, no nothing at all?
Babe, if you ain't had no arms, no legs, no head, no nothing, no body.
Uh-huh.
You wouldn't exist. Right?
Right.
Exactly. You wouldn't be there.
Yes, correct.
So how could I love nothing? You get what I'm saying? No.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
Hi, thank you for calling the Fuck Girl Help Hotline, where we help you do what they do to you. Who am I speaking with today? Hi, Maddie. What's up, Queen? He did that while you were there? All right, we have work to do. So recently, we've been trying this new tactic of getting with their enemy instead of getting with their best friend. Do you think you could do that? Great, awesome. So can you identify his enemy? All right, okay. Do you two speak? Oh my God, you weren't allowed to speak. Oh, toxic. Ew, we're so glad he's gone. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna add him on Snapchat, but we're not gonna Snapchat him first. Does he hate the ex as well? Great. Okay, that's awesome. So you guys can talk about that. You can talk about that, bond over it. Perfect. Oh, also, is the ex reaching out to you? He is. Okay, what is he saying? He's sorry? Of course he is. All right, so what I need you to tell him is, I accept your apology, but it doesn't change what you did, and I no longer want you a part of my life. Period. Great. Perfect. Send that tonight.
Thanks, Dad, for taking me to see Fast and the Furious 26, man. It was so good. My favorite part was when Goku and Vin Diesel smashed into Superman with the Mustang. Like, that was just crazy. Like, I've never seen anything like it.
This used to be about racing. This used to be about racing, Coronas, and bad bitches. That's what this used to be about.
Dad, you seem real
Why
upset about
is
this.
Toretto
Like,
fighting Goku? How did we get here?
I mean, it was a misunderstanding, and then they had to team up against Superman.
So, turns out, Shaw was the Terminator. Okay, Shaw was the Terminator. Went back in time, shot Han, and created a time loop. All right, we just gonna ride with that. You know what? I was kind of mad when in the last movie, you know, when he punched a T-Rex with his Mustang. I was kind of mad at that. Not as mad as I am now, seeing him drift on the rings of Saturn.
He did it to reverse the gravitational pull of Saturn so he could fly off and hit Superman the way he did with his car.
Shut up! Sick of this. And they talk about Fast 27 is supposed to come out in the next 2 years. Who they gonna fight? God? Huh? It used to be about racing, Corona, and bad bitches.
Well, isn't that the magic of Fast and the Furious, Dad? With family, you can overcome everything.
So, family. Because family. Okay. So you telling me Toretto's an anime protagonist now? You know, friendship and family just, you know what, you know the fuck what. All right, let's get a little fast and let's see how furious I can get. How does that sound, Timmy? Huh? Let's see how fast your dad can get.
How you doing? Can I get a McChicken with a large fry?
Did I say hello to you yet?
No, but I thought you
Exactly.
I just wanted some food.
Okay, what do you want?
What do you recommend? Like, what's the most popular one here?
Bitch, I know you just pulled up right in front of the menu. Take a look.
What? Can I get 5 fish fillets?
Do you hate yourself?
I just got a divorce. I need a bad bleep. Addison Ray.
You better order some food or get the fuck off.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Next menu board?
Then why do you have 2 menu boards then?
Next menu board, please.
Man, whatever. I don't care. Hi, how much is a $3 bundle? For $3.
For you, $42. Because why would you ask me that? Welcome to McDonald's.
Can I have a quarter pounder with mad pickles? Like, mad pickles.
Ew!
What? Your ice cream machine working, right?
Why would you ask me that? You already know the answer
I just wanted to see. I have a coupon going towards a $3 bundle, but the other location didn't even take it.
Why are you using a coupon at McDonald's? Like, baby, it's given we got food at home. Like, you might as well just eat at home if you gotta use a coupon at McDonald's. Like,
can I have the BTS meal? Okay. But instead of like all the stuff included in it, can I just get like
then
small
that wouldn't be a BTS meal. That would be just a regular 10-piece nuggets and...
Girl, fuck you. I don't even give a damn. That's why you working at McDonald's and every time you...
Bro, this new school ass, bro. This shit don't got no biddies. Like, what's going on? Like,
Hey, you!
yo, why all y'all Caucasians running up on me, son? Like, y'all the cops? Like, y'all the IRS? Like, I don't even be scamming no more. Where to my mother? I don't scam no more. That was in the past. Like,
Dude, we're not the cops.
then who the fuck is y'all? Like, identify yourselves. The fuck?
We're the football team and the most popular people in school. This is our turf, and I don't want to see you on it. And I'm not going to say it again.
Bro, let me tell y'all something, bro.
What is it?
I am from Brooklyn, New York, bro. I will smack the shit out of y'all with the strength of my ancestors. Word of my mother, bro. I will summon the strength of Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass and smack the shit out you, bro. What are you not understanding? Like,
Dude, who's Harriet Tubman? I don't know, bro.
bro, and y'all some bums, bro. Like, y'all, bro, I know you be wearing that same varsity jacket every day, bro. You got no drip, bro. With them weak-ass Converses and them shits cooked, like, I'm gonna give y'all 5 minutes to get the fuck out my face before I smack you and your weak-ass crew, Billy. Like, what gang is y'all supposed to be? Like, the Hampton Crips? The Buckingham Bloods? Like, what is, the suburban folks? Like, what are y'all supposed to be?
Actually, my name is not Billy, it's Kevin. My name is Bryce. And I'm Connor. And I already told you we're on the football team.
Yo, I don't give a fuck, like, yo!
Yeah, let's leave, guys. This guy's a total jerk.
Your girl jerk my beef and we call it beef jerky. Fuck is you talking about? Motherfuckers done lost their mind, bro. But where the biddies at, bro? There's only snow bunnies in this school, but a motherfucker ain't complaining. There ain't no snow bunnies in the hood. Hey, Omar! You feel me? Come here.
Hi, why are you screaming?
Well, I just wanted to get your attention, but what's your name, though? Like,
My name is Vanessa.
Vanessa.
What's your name?
Oh, I go by D Money. You feel me? D got bands. D Guapo. You feel me? Because I guess the guap. You feel me? Like, what? Yo, I could get you a Chanel bag, Fendi bag, any of that. But
wait, are you a scammer?
Yeah, something like that. You feel me? But I prefer entrepreneur. I'm not gonna lie. But look, you gonna follow me to the staircase, and we gonna do a little activity. I'm not gonna lie.
OMG, I love activities.
Yeah.
Yo! How the fuck did he do that? How? I don't get it! Is he Jesus?
Mommy, Daddy, can I sleep with you guys tonight?
Yeah, come on, Isaiah.
Okay. Daddy, can you remove the remote from my back?
That's not the remote.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Oh, nothing's wrong. What makes you think something's wrong? I'm fine. Nothing's wrong. You know, I work all day, and this is what I want to do. I want to come home and I want to do the dishes. This is what I want to do. This is my dream. I'm sure this watermelon will sit here until who knows who's gonna cut it. The watermelon fairy.
Do you want help?
No. I got it. You know, I work all day. I work nice and hard. I come home, I cook the dinner, and you know, this is exactly what I want to do. It's always mommy this, mommy that, mommy this, mommy that.